True luxury was engineered, not marketed. In 1925, Rolls-Royce defined ride comfort through mechanical perfection. And this century-old design still challenges modern engineering. Raw materials enter the workshop, marking the birth of craftsmanship. The sound of machines fills a factory where precision comes first. Designers and engineers prepare to build something timeless. Every detail begins with intent, not automation. Step 1. Concept and design. Steel sheets and seasoned wood arrive inside the design workshop. Designers sketch ideas using chalk, rulers, and experience. Engineers calculate chassis dimensions with mechanical accuracy. Material samples are reviewed for durability and elegance. Client requirements shape the foundation of the design. Suspension and chassis layouts are planned by hand. Material choices are finalized for strength and longevity. Technical drawings are reviewed down to the smallest tolerance. Design teams refine proportions for balance and ride quality. Blueprints are approved and prepared for production. Raw steel components are unloaded onto the factory floor. Each piece is inspected for straightness and integrity. Cutting machines are set for exact chassis dimensions. Steel beams are shaped to precise lengths and angles. Edges are cleaned to prepare for welding. Chassis rails are positioned in alignment jigs. Welders join the frame using controlled heat and skill. The frame cools naturally to preserve strength. Levels and symmetry are carefully measured. Engine mounting points are drilled by reference marks. Axle locations are measured to ensure ride stability. Front and rear axles are test-fitted. Leaf springs are mounted to absorb road imperfections. Steering and brake linkages are aligned mechanically. Protective coatings are applied against corrosion. Bolt threads are cleaned for secure fastening. The chassis stands ready to receive its engine. The raw engine block is placed on the assembly bench. Craftsmen visually inspect the casting for imperfections. All surfaces are cleaned to remove dust and residue. Cylinder bores are measured for precise tolerances. Honing begins to smooth the cylinder walls. Pistons are weighed to ensure balance. Piston rings are carefully fitted by hand. The crankshaft journals are polished for smooth rotation. Main bearings are installed with exact clearances. The engine is gently lowered into the engine block. Rotation is checked to confirm free movement. The camshaft is installed to control valve timing. Timing gears are aligned for mechanical accuracy. Valves are ground to achieve perfect sealing. Valve seats are checked for compression integrity. Valve springs and retainers are assembled. The cylinder head is mounted and secured. Gaskets are installed to prevent leakage. The fuel delivery components are assembled on the bench. Fuel delivery passages are inspected for flow. The ignition system is installed with precision. Spark plugs are positioned for even combustion. Cooling system parts are fitted to regulate temperature. Oil pump and lubrication lines are connected. Engine covers are sealed and tightened. The engine is rotated by hand for internal checks. Initial compression resistance is evaluated. The engine is mounted on a test stand. The engine is approved and prepared for chassis installation. Coachwork begins with raw timber. Only perfect wood is selected. Each piece is shaped by hand. Steam gives wood its flexibility. Curves are formed without compromise. The body structure takes shape. Traditional joints ensure strength. No shortcuts are taken. Body and chassis meet for the first time. Precision defines the ride. Metal skin prepares to follow wood. Panels are shaped manually. Every curve is beaten into form. Fitment is constantly refined. The body begins to close. Doors are built as precision units. Perfect movement is essential. Engine elegance is framed. Balance is achieved front to rear. The silhouette is completed. Driver visibility is refined. Surface perfection takes time. Symmetry defines luxury. Coachwork nears completion. The Phantom's shape is born. Paint begins with bare metal. Every surface is carefully prepared. Primer protects the foundation. The first layer is applied slowly. Time is allowed to do its work. Imperfections are removed by hand. Color is carefully prepared. The car receives its identity. Each layer must fully settle. Depth is built layer by layer. Smoothness is constantly refined. Luxury reveals itself in patience. Protection follows beauty. Gloss seals the craftsmanship. The finish is allowed to mature. Reflection becomes flawless. quality is visually confirmed. Nothing is overlooked. The surface now tells a story. The body is ready for refinement. Leather and fabric rolls arrive in the workshop. Leather is cut for seats. Seats are stitched by hand. Door panels and armrests are installed. Wood veneer panels are sanded and polished. Dashboard is carefully mounted. Instruments are fitted precisely. Steering wheel and pedals are installed. Brass and chrome knobs and handles are attached. Upholstery alignment is checked. Trim and stitching details are verified. Craftsmen test comfort and tactile feel. Minor adjustments are made where needed. Interior finishes are polished and inspected. The interior is ready for final assembly. Body hoist is prepared for lifting. Body is carefully lowered onto the chassis. Bolts and fasteners are secured. Brake and fuel lines are connected. Engine accessories and exhaust are installed. Wheels and tires are mounted. Steering and suspension linkages are attached. Windshield and lights are fitted. Doors, hood, and trunk are aligned. All body panels are checked for fit. Mechanical linkages are tested. Interior and seats are verified in place. Final adjustments are made to alignment. Car is fully assembled and ready for testing. Every component has been carefully fitted. Start and idle run is checked. Brake system is tested for responsiveness. Steering and handling are evaluated. Acceleration and smoothness are monitored. Paint finish and panel gaps are inspected. Interior comfort is tested. Minor mechanical adjustments are made. Engine and transmission tolerances are double-checked. All logs and reports are recorded. Car is fully certified and ready for delivery. Fully built 1925 Rolls-Royce Phantom I is carefully loaded into the container. Crates and equipment are secured for transport. The container truck leaves the Derby factory gates. Gates close behind the moving truck. A sense of journey begins. The engine starts and purrs smoothly. vehicle drives through scenic green valleys. Rolling mountains frame the cinematic journey. Couple enjoys the drive, laughing and smiling. Sets casting golden light on the car. Every bespoke detail reflects the craftsmanship. The car arrives at its destination, ready for the showroom. Subscribe, like, and share to witness more vintage automotive masterpieces.